Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the basics so the process works immediately. Sign into iCloud and enable location services, Find My, and Share My Location. Once done, open Contacts or Messages and send a location share request to the person you want to find. Make sure they accept, otherwise you'll see pending status. Also, check that both phones use current iOS and have cellular or Wi-Fi active, because without a network the location won't update reliably. You'll now use the Find My app for the actual location lookup. Open Find My and tap People, then tap the plus sign to request that person's location or to share yours. When prompted, choose whether to share for 1 hour, until end of day, or indefinitely. This controls privacy. Also enable precise location so you get exact coordinates. Once they accept, you'll see their avatar on the map and can tap it to get directions or set arrival and departure notifications. You finish by tapping the person's pin to get turn-by-turn directions, play a sound on their device, or create notifications for arrival or departure. If you no longer need sharing, open their contact in Find My and stop sharing or remove them. If something goes wrong, here's one quick troubleshooting tip. Verify both devices have active networks, are signed into iCloud, and have Share My Location enabled. Restart the Find My app and, if needed, reboot the phone to clear temporary issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.